there to go do that.
So you do have some background then.
Yes.
You just wanted to get that. I think that more of a just a title, the paper, right? That was pretty much. It sounds like what their company was looking for, the educational educational side of it.
Yes.
So what do you think? Because I know you had a transition of project management, operations, and everything else, even SOC. So what do you think? Was this something beneficial for you in the future? I know a lot of people just kind of want to focus on one thing. Do you think all these varieties of roles helped you to pretty much level up?
Most definitely. Enterprise architecture and business analysis was definitely my baseline that really helped build me and my career where I'm at today. And the people that I had met along the way that encouraged me, from coworkers to managers to CISOs from various places, and even wardens and captains at the correctional facilities all encouraged me to jump in and do this. So it's been an adventure and I have zero regrets. Love it.
That's awesome. So how'd you get into the cyber role or IT role when you started? Well, can you give me a story how you started? I know you didn't have the proper education. So was there something that you were networking, you knew somebody, or you just applied and got lucky?
I actually get asked that question a lot. How I got started in it, for one, I fell into it. It wasn't something I was looking for. A lot of it's my personality. I'm very outgoing. I'm not an introvert. And I was working in a business classification at the time, and so I wasn't allowed to really work on IT specifically. However, working in an enterprise architecture team and really learning what they did and how they did it, I was thinking, how can I expand my knowledge base? Because I can't rely on anybody else. I have to do this on my own. And so I went into my manager's office. I said, this is what I want to do. I want to start working on this, this, and this, because I want to learn from the architects, their process. What are they doing? How are they doing it? Why is something coming in? How's it going to work in our environment? Why this instead of something else? And we worked with the chief, got my okay to do it, and I just ran with it. And I did a phenomenal job with it. I built programs from it. We had service level agreements where things wouldn't get done within 5 days or 30 days.